it's the smallest things that are the most meaningful. Like the notification that lets you know your star goalie has arrived home from practice. The simple tap that lets you lock the door behind, because her footwork is far better than her memory. It's a thoughtfully placed package, so you can focus on anything but your deliveries. Or a quick swipe to get a full view of everything that matters to you most. Smart homes are the most meaningful when all the technology inside works together to simplify your life. When every tap is customized to suit your needs, every button press has a purpose, and it's easy for everyone to use. A smart home has the most meaning when it can empower you to have greater peace of mind from anywhere, more comfort and convenience, using only the sound of your voice, and maximizes your cost and energy savings automatically. Whether it's a simple schedule that helps you conserve energy, a button that transforms your home into the most entertaining house on the block, or smart lighting that makes sure you never come home to a dark house again. At Control 4, we understand it's the smallest things that are the most meaningful, and making your smart home meaningful is what Control 4 is all about. Contact a Control 4 smart home professional to make the small things meaningful in your smart home today.